this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. This video I'm going to be setting up the week of April 24th through the 30th in my dashboard planner. I use this for my social media, and the theme I'm going with is actually not from a challenge. It is from the newest Planners Anonymous kit I just got. I filmed the unboxing at the beginning of the week and posted it, so I will link that in the cards up above. But if you have already watched my unboxing of this Plum Blossom kit, you may remember I gasped and just drooled all over this paper, and so I knew I was going to do a spread this week using the kit, and I just couldn't get this paper out of my head. So of course the easiest thing to do is just replace the whole side with this piece of paper, but I didn't want to cover up so much, and since this really isn't super directional, I mean there's a branch coming out from the side in a couple places, but that's about it. I just didn't want to cover up that much of whatever I stuck on the page. So what I think I want to do, so that leaves me to ripping the paper, which typically I would come up from this corner or up from this corner, but I wanted to try to do something a little different. So what I'm thinking is I will keep the integrity of these two boxes, which I definitely use, and maybe I would rip my page this way and capture this part of the page. So to that end, I definitely want to rip up so that my wide white band, which I feel like helps make it blend into the page, that is going to end up staying on this piece of paper, and we're going to stick this here. And I think I want to, do I want to keep my piece over here? I mean, it's going to look a little bit funny to have that edge, so maybe I won't. Maybe I'll come right here with it. Yeah, so what I need to do is kind of start my rip here toward the corner. Ripping, like I said, ripping up. I have my starting point there. And then let me pick also my spot I want to aim toward, which is going to be this spot. Again, ripping up. So I just need to aim toward this spot. So just let it organically rip where it wants to rip. There. And that's perfect. That is perfect. All right. Save that for another spread. I've got lots of corners left I can use. All right, first I'm gonna grab my white out all the words that aren't gonna be covered by this nice heavy paper. And then I'm gonna tape runner that corner piece on and punch it. Perfect, so far so good. Okay, let's get in here then and look for functionally some things. I wanna cover those up. I know during my unboxing I pointed out that this page was very pixelated, and Planners Anonymous recognized that too. They are having this page reprinted at its normal quality level, and they will be sending a replacement out to us. So I know I'm going to have extra things from this page. So I'm going to use these two habit trackers. And with that in mind, then I chose boxes that would match that color. I have the pink boxes and more from Mojo Jojo Plans. This was a set of 10 rainbow colored books, or you could buy them individually. I don't know if any of them are still available, but absolutely this color is going to work with that color. So we will use these. I'm going to go ahead and just cover up these whiteout spots with a couple of these small boxes, because I know, like I said, these are going to match at least one of the habit trackers I've chosen to use. I'm going to put that right up over the whiteout, but not sacrifice that first bullet point. And then we'll just stick this one at the same height. And then we can find some functional words to go in there. All right, so then for habit trackers, let's go ahead and grab these two. I need 3. I I'm tempted, since like I said, I know I have another copy of this page coming, I'm tempted to use these over there as well. All right, let's look for one more habit tracker that's going to match, or at least not clash. That one is a little bit, maybe we'll go with a gray one. Or this cream colored one. Since these two have gold foil, let's grab a third one with gold foil. Let's grab this cream colored one. And then I definitely want to cover that last bit of whiteout up, so I can do that through the habit trackers. Since I've got a hot pink up there and that matches that most closely, let's put it farthest away. So that means this habit tracker needs to cover up this, the whiteout up there, because I want the neutral one, the cream one, in the middle. Okay, and then I've left myself a little space maybe here for a bit of deco. I love this tree. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Although, here's a nice little corner thing. Maybe, I was going to put it here, but maybe we'll use this mirrored one. Thank you, Sammy, for giving us both directions. And we'll come down here with it just to start to bring some of the deco over to this side. And I feel like once you get to the weekend, wine is entirely appropriate. So there. Let's still look for something for this corner. Maybe a stack of books. There are lots of stacks of books. If you want to see, like I said, the full flip through of this, check out the video that I linked earlier. All right, I think I want the stack of books. The big stack of books. That fits nicely in that corner. Okay, and then I do have the washi tapes pulled. I think the only one I really want to entertain using though is this one that has the quotes, which I know they're hard for you to see, but I can read them to you. And I just thought I'd put a couple across the bottom of each. And grab my glasses. It's beautiful, but it's tiny. So the first one says, find your own secret garden. And the second one says, rediscover the magic within. Let's put those, let's use them individually. So there are little gaps in between the words. So let's go ahead and use that to our advantage and rip them off, rip them apart. Messy rips. And so that way we can kind of sprinkle them around like wordfetti. And then let's put one down here. What does the next one say? They're all nice, so I'm just using them in order. It says, let nature be your guide. And listen to the secrets of your inner voice. That's a nice one. That's a little bit longer one, so I think we'll put it down here. And then maybe we'll put this one up here. I don't know. It's kind of random, but we'll get some more stuff over here. So let's look for some sort of, I know teacups. Let's look for a smaller teacup. There we go. There's a little cup of tea to put here instead of our cup of coffee. I mean, I guess it could be a cup of coffee. There it is again, but it doesn't look any, if anything, it's bigger there. I want the smaller one. Wait, we can have the person drinking coffee. There's a nice hot mug of coffee. I want kind of something here. Let's go back to that page that's pixelated. Yeah, this one. What if I go ahead and I don't have to cover up the numbers to use these. So what I can do is put this one here and put my word videos on top of it. And then go ahead, let's go ahead and use these. What do I think? Yeah, that works. All right, let's put these all on. Excellent. All right. Maybe a couple more minis. I think I got a little bit of tape runner right there. Yep. All right. Minnie's doing some editing or something. So yeah, she's typing on her computer. So is she. Let's go ahead and use those two. Actually, now that I know this one is sitting on top of a planner, I think I want to use her here for like my themes and ideas. And then let's use this one working on her computer, or maybe this one for my editing, my filming workflow. All right. Pretty good so far. I need bullet points over there. What I can do, I could use these. There are bullet points in here, but they're clear matte sticker paper, so they're a little tiny bit harder to check off, which doesn't bother me per se, but I think I want to go ahead and use the ones out of here. So I'm gonna, let's see, I could choose a different color actually, because I don't need to stick with all hot pink. What if we use this super, super soft pink? What do you guys think? Actually, maybe what I'll do is stick with this super hot pink, but do individual bullet points. All right, so, oh, and I also got to put, we'll come back to that. No, let's figure it out. So I pulled the pastel shapes from Mojo Jojo Plans because I feel like it's got this color as well as this color. And I figure, so there, I can use these two pinks, and then here's this kind of dusty purple color. So I think what I'll do is use a mixture of hearts and circles. And the reason I'm kind of going outside the box from what I normally do here is because I put these on, and so I have a little bit less space there. So I need, rather than using this more format rectangular box, it's going to be too long, so I think I'll use these. All right, so I have my super pointy tweezers. I'm going to speed this up and put a mixture of, like I said, the circles and the hearts on here, as well as 5 to 6 bullet points on each spot. I do have a link in the description box for a discount on your first month subscription to Planners Anonymous. So if it looks like something you might want to subscribe to, if you're liking the color palette and the artwork, please feel free to use that link and get a discount on your first month subscription. Okay, as you can see, Jazpur decided to help me by holding down my page, so thank you, Jazpur. All right, we're almost done. Let's grab a couple functional words. And I need a hot pink pen to write in my videos. What I might do is write in brown on most of these. What am I doing? Focus, Jude. Don't try to do so many things at once. Here we go. Let's go ahead and just grab my own functional words. So we'll go with, I need it to be short. So we'll go with videos for over here. And that's because this is where I list what videos posting. I post 1 video a day, never more than 1. Sometimes I skip a day, although it's been a while since I've done that. I keep saying I'm going to skip a day and then I don't. Let's see. Ideas. So for example, once I decided that dashboard was going to be Plum Blossom, I made that note there. And then the other box is for my workflow. So film, photo, thumb/trailer, edit, and upload. That's what those are. So that's pretty much everything. About the only thing I could do would be to look for a little something to put maybe over here, just to bring a tiny little bit more deco over. Let's do that. But I feel like the colors are definitely going to bring it to life. So, or definitely are bringing it to life. There were a couple little long thin stickers. Here we go. I could put more books up there. Let's do that. Okay, and then, you know what? I think once I get all the writing on there, and I have a hot pink pen I can use for writing, I think it's gonna be busy enough. Oh, I need to write in my habit trackers. So I just have like a magenta Papermate flare, so we'll write in what these are for. There we go. All right, let's put it in my planner. It's not going to go with the discs very well because they're blue, but that's okay. I don't mind. All right, there we go. There is my Plum Blossom spread using the newest Planners Anonymous kit. I hope you like this video. I hope it encourages you to check out small shops. There's so much more variety, and I mean, you really can set yourself apart from the crowd and really come up with unique looks and ideas if you check out small shop stickers. I love supporting small shops. So if you like this video, please do consider liking, subscribing, dropping me a smiley face or a kind word. All those interactions with my videos help me with the YouTube algorithm and are a great way to support me. Thank you.